Firstly, the cooking machine plays a crucial role in preparing the goose fat for extraction. It heats the raw material to an appropriate temperature, ensuring that the fat is properly melted and ready for the next stage. Following the cooking process, the pressing machine is utilized to extract the oil from the cooked material. This machine applies significant pressure to separate the oil from solid residues. After the initial extraction, the oil filter comes into play. This component is responsible for removing impurities and particles from the extracted oil, enhancing its clarity and purity. The filtering process is essential for producing clean. Finally, the refining unit completes the production line by further purifying the oil. This step involves processes such as deodorization and bleaching, which improve the oil's sensory properties and shelf life. By integrating these stages, in summary, the complete goose oil extraction production line combines various specialized machines to streamline the extraction and purification processes. Each piece of equipment contributes uniquely to the overall efficiency and effectiveness of the operation.